This is the Pizza Baker, run by the Jim and Janet Baker. They opened the restaurant for their son Jameson, who has Asperger's, and they wanted to use it as an opportunity for him to work in the summer, and they've also have opened up their doors for other disabilities and to help people get jobs. The Midland Foundation raised $10,000 for them for this business, I believe, and I think that was matched by another community. Oh, by the way, hey, we have scooters now. You can rent these and ride them around town. Pretty cool. I'll have to check that out later. I'm gonna see if they'll let me come in and record and order a pizza. Oops. Almost forgot my mask. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Do you mind if I record?
If you record?
Yeah. I'm doing a little story on the business.
Oh.
You guys okay with that?
Are you okay with that?
I don't want to alarm anybody. I'd like to order a pizza too.
Alright.
I'm not going to ask any questions or anything. I just do my own thing, all right? Do you sell like personal size pizzas then? And
This guy will fill you in on what's the story.
all right. Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. This is a 10-inch pizza. It's going to be a 2-minute bake in a 100-degree oven.
Wow.
The pizza will come out with some churn on the crust, and they cook in about 2 minutes.
Wow, that's quick.
Yep.
I see you got signature pizzas
Yep,
here. All
signature. Custom, and then we got drinks and side salads too.
right. Excellent. Now, you guys opened like 2 years ago, didn't you?
Yeah, we did.
I actually haven't even been in here. I come by here all the time, but I've never come in. I feel bad. How about a Mediterranean?
Okay.
Now I'd like that, well, to go, obviously. And that's the special oven back there, huh?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
The oven itself was built in France and sent over to Dallas, Texas to be imported.
Nice. How many pizzas can you fit in there?
About 8 to 10.
And they only take 2 minutes, so right?
Yeah.
Nice. Cool, man.
Thank you.
Should I pay for this now?
Yes, you can, sir. What do you need before?
I'll keep the change.
All right. Is there an initial order?
Top?
Tom?
Is this going pretty good?
Yep.
Good,
That's
great.
for you.
This is my receipt?
That's like a claim ticket.
Okay. My name's Todd, actually, but that's okay.
Are you both poorly? What did you do poorly yesterday? She's funny.
So I heard they're gonna open something next door. Is that not happening, or
Yep.
Do you want an extra
some kind of tasting room or something,
It's
or
going to be a tax room distillery.
distillery?
Yep.
They still gonna open it?
Hardly know.
Okay. I know all this COVID thing's got everything.
Wait for their licenses.
Okay, good. So you think they'll be open this summer, or? Yeah, really.
Because then we get more business.
Right.
The big guy opened next door though.
Oh yeah, I just did a story about him yesterday.
We want to thank you, sir, for doing a story about us.
Oh, absolutely.
That's all you do.
I'll be on YouTube probably tomorrow or something.
So we opened the shop to give our son a job.
That's what I read. That's what I read.
So today-
So you must be Janet.
I'm Janet. Yeah.
Well, we needed all our small businesses to
Yep.
take off around here.
Yeah.
This COVID hasn't been helping, so.
No. It got worse.
I'm just glad things are starting to open, even though there's still things going on. But
But I think people are just tired.
yeah, I know.
There you go, Todd.
Awesome. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep.
You guys have a great day.
Yep, and come see us again soon.
I take a picture of it. I will come back. Nice. Looks pretty. Excellent. I'll go home and give it my review.
Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too. I see they got the scooter thing going on now.
Yeah, those just came today.
Yeah, it started today apparently. We have to check out those too. They say you can't ride them on the sidewalks though, so I don't.
They said not on the sidewalk, and also they don't, there's some type of,
Can you take it on the church tree?
right,
With other-
bridge with
It'll turn off or something. That's kind of cool how they can do that. Right. You guys have a great day. Thank you. All right, here it is. Looks pretty nummy. Very delicious. So yeah, support your local pizzeries.